We are family. The Lewis family. We are family.
Oh, we love each other.
The Lewis family.
Oh, we support each other.
We are family.
Through ups and downs.
The Lewis family.
We are there for one another.
We are family.
Oh, yes, we are. Yes, we are. The Lewis family.
Hi, you guys. I'm back. I'm coming with you with a quick, easy 7-Up pound cake recipe. And these are our ingredients. We have butter, salted butter. We have pure vanilla extract. We have 7-Up. Baking with flour, and it's the pound. And also 5 eggs, 2 cups of flour, and 3 cups of sugar. And y'all, we will be using my brand new KitchenAid stand mixer. Now we're adding our 3 sticks of butter into our mixer. Now we're adding our 3 cups of sugar. Making sure it's all in there. We're going to add our 5 eggs into our mix. Now I'm going to scrape my bowl. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now I'm going to only add half of my flour, which is 1 cup. Now I'm going to add only half of my 1 cup of 7-Up. Now I'm going to add the other half of my flour and my 7-Up. Now you guys, we're going to take our spray, our pan baking with flour spray, and we want to make sure the whole pan is sprayed down all evenly. It should look just like this. Now we are going to take our batter and we're going to pour it inside our cake pan. Now we're going to smooth out the top of our batter where it's evenly and not clumpy. Now we preheated our oven at 325 degrees and we're going to let the cake bake for about 60 to 70 minutes to golden brown at the top. And you also insert the toothpick just to make sure that the cake is done. And there you go, our finished product. This is our 7-Up pound cake, you guys. It's so golden brown and it is definitely delicious. A perfect dessert for any occasion. And y'all can see how smooth and easy it is to cut and how just perfectly it looks. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. As my mom, Miss Brenda Dee, would say, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye for now.